Hello, happy Saturday. Welcome to Saturday STEAM Kids program here at the Eagle Public Library. My name is Amber, and today I am going to be guiding you through our really fun craft for Mother's Day. So happy Mother's Day to all the moms out there. And I know you kids are going to make this really cute flower tissue for your mom. So if you did our take and make kit, what you'll have inside it is some pipe cleaners. I did 2 different colors of green, and then 4 sheets of tissue paper. So before we get started, I thought I would tell you a couple of interesting facts about Mother's Day. So Mother's Day is never on the same day. It's always on a different date every year in May. More phone calls are made on Mother's Day than any other day in the whole year, even more than Christmas. So yeah, everybody's calling their moms, and that's super nice. Mother's Day is the highest selling holiday for flowers and plants. And President Woodrow Wilson in 1914 signed Mother's Day into a law. And let's see, I have one more. And can you guess what the most popular gift for Mother's Day is? It's a greeting card. So yeah, so you guys could make your mom a card to go along with these cute paper tissue flowers. So I thought those were some fun facts, and let's get started on our instructions for how to make the flowers. So in the kit that I have, the tissue paper that I gave you can make 2 pretty big flowers. So here's a bunch that I have made here at the library. That color I think is my favorite. But anyway, so this is what we're going to be making. Okay, so we're going to take the 4 sheets of our tissue paper and lay them out pretty large. Okay, so we lay them out. I hope you guys can see this pretty good. There we go. And so then you lay them out pretty carefully, which I think we've done a pretty good job right here. And then to get the center of it, because we're going to cut this in half, I kind of fold it over and just make a little pinch mark. This does not have to be precise, but now we're going to cut the 4 sheets. We're going to cut it in half. Okay, so you can just set this one aside because you're going to come do that in a minute. Okay, so now we have our 4 sheets, and you're going to take the smallest part and put it towards you. And then we're going to fold it accordion style, like how you make a paper fan. Okay, so there's one fold. And this is kind of hard because it's so big at the first. Fold it over. Oh, you guys can't see me. There we go. Okay. Okay, so this is going to take me a minute. Maybe we'll speed it up so you don't have to watch me folding. So fold it and really press down so you have a pretty good fold. Okay, there we go. You guys can see what I'm doing. Okay, so go ahead and fold. And this tissue paper is really forgiving, so it doesn't have to be perfect. And if you overlap and you don't like it, you can go back and fix it. There, you guys can see me pretty good right there. Okay. So we keep going, small little folds. See, it's getting easier to fold now. It's in the beginning because it's long, it's a little bit harder to flip over. This is getting manageable. Look, you can kind of see it looks like a fan already. So, you know, you can buy tissue paper at the dollar store, and I think there's quite a few sheets in it. So after you do these, because it is so much fun, if you want to make more, you could grab some at the dollar store and make tons of them. You could decorate your rooms with them. but your mom is going to really like these. I put mine from the library, as you could see. I just put those in a mason jar that we have here at the library. So you could put it in a jar that you have, an empty jar that you have at home, and put it on the table. Would look really cute. Okay, so we are getting pretty close to being done with the folds. Sorry, my throat is so dry today. Okay. Okay, so do you guys see that? Okay, now what we're gonna do is we're gonna fold it in half to kind of get the middle. So again, kind of press it and then open it up and hold it, because this is where we're gonna put the pipe cleaner is in the middle. So we're gonna, because it's the stem of the flower, so we're gonna pinch that, and the tighter you can get it, the better the flower is gonna be. So I kind of pinch right there, and then once I'm happy with it, I take the pipe cleaner and I fold it over as tight as I can. And I got you guys longer ones so you could go a couple of times around. Okay, awesome. Okay, so now the sides don't all match, and that's fine. So you're gonna take your scissors and we're just gonna smooth them out. Some people I know go like make little triangles, and that makes really cute flowers too. But for this one, we're just gonna clean off the edges, okay? So we'll do it to this side. Oh, I'm so excited. This is so fun. Okay, and then these you can just throw away. So then, very carefully, you're going to fan it out a little bit. And it doesn't matter what side you start with, but you're going to take one sheet at a time and pull it away from the other 3 sheets. Okay, so you can't tell yet, but this is going to look like a flower. So really, I'm kind of going quick, but take your time to pull the sheet down. It will make the flower look better. Okay, so now on to the orange. You know, you could do this with all one color too. You don't have to use 4 different colors. I just thought they were really pretty and colorful with the different colors. But you guys have such amazing imaginations. You could make all kinds of different combos. Okay, so you could kind of see that it's starting to become a flower. Okay, so now we need to fluff out the other side. Oh, this is so cute. Okay, and like I said, you have enough to make 2 really good big flowers to give to your mom. And you could just take a piece of paper at home too and color a picture of maybe a flower or what your mom looks like or the sunshine, and just write her a really nice, thoughtful card and tell her why you appreciate her. And then you could give her these cute flowers to go along with that. And believe me, she will really like that. Okay, so these are my last 2 that I'm separating. Isn't that cute? And there's the stem. So you can work with it, bring it back up a little bit to change the shape of it. But here, let me show you my bouquet again. So I could place this one in there as well, and it looks so cute. So there you go. So you have everything that you need to make this in your take and make kit that you can pick up here at the library till supplies last. And I hope that you guys have fun making your flowers for your mom. Happy Saturday and happy Mother's Day.
Borrow digital comics from the Eagle Public Library. From superhero classics to the latest kids comics, start reading today at eaglepubliclibrary.org/ecomics.